Hi everyone, it's Danielle from the Orchestrator team here at Phrase, here today to talk to you today about a new feature called Field Picker. Prior to Field Picker, creating any of your workflows usually required some full understanding of the underlying APIs. What does that mean? Well, if you go to the Get Project Actions here, and then go to Parameters, you were typing out for each required field the appropriate syntax and then also referencing the correct action in order to get that content, which here would be something like curly bracket, tokens, dot, TMS. But if you're not super developer savvy, you would find that you might be mistyping this, misremembering it, or maybe not even knowing which action to refer to. But with Field Picker, we help you out here. So just click the icon here for Field Picker, and you get some available reference sources to get that information. I know that it's fetch access token, so I'm going to click that. And it gives me all the available properties for that particular action. So clicking tokens, I then want to choose TMS token. Here along the bottom, you can see the syntax has been typed out, so you no longer have to type that out yourself manually. And you can also see the validation that it's getting that information from fetch access tokens. So hit apply. It's as easy as that. You no longer have to type it out manually. And you can even do the same here for project UID. So following the same journey as before, I am this time going to go to the job created trigger, clicking that. I'll then go to job parts, change this to first, and then here we are for ID. So what was a fairly complex piece of syntax you had to type out yourself, this Field Picker now does that for you. So I'll hit apply, save parameters. As easy as that. You can do the same with any other action here when creating your workflow, and you'll even be able to do the same for triggers. Thank you for listening. I hope you all have a great day.